Hello there, my friend, and welcome. What if I told you a 65-year-old retiree earned over $3,000 in just 4 days and officially retired 90 days after starting this online business? Would you be interested in learning exactly how he did it? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally in Malawi in Southern Africa and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally find that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. I always had this mom guilt because I was spending all this money online and not making anything back. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family or friends or slide into strangers' DMs. Now, if you want to know more about this step-by-step blueprint, let me share with you the story of Joseph, what he posted in our community, sharing how he retired after 90 days, because this community here is our bonus site. When you decide to get started with this blueprint, you get access to this bonus site. So let me just share some testimonials just leading up to Joseph here, then I'm going to stop and highlight Joseph. But if I just go up here, you can see some of the wins that have been shared. That one just stood out for me. There's different types of win, like this is huge. Jennifer yesterday shared how she got 200 leads from a TikTok video. Julie yesterday as well, she made $900 while she was sleeping, right? And she said she just upgraded and she joined last night. And then, okay, she upgraded and then she made a sale soon after that. So that's absolutely amazing. My first sale, Geroline, 2 days ago made a $900 sale. Congratulations. Tracy, 12 hours ago, made her $900 this morning, and she actually got 62 leads while taking her grandkids to school. And Barbara, last June when she joined, she made 10,500 in 15 days. And by the end of last year, she'd earned $32,000. Paula made 3,600 in 4 days. That was 3 days ago. Let me see. Tammy, 14 hours ago, got 6 new leads and $200 sales. She says the system works, baby. Michael, $1,800 this week. Kamala, yesterday, 1,800 in 24 hours. Congratulations. And I still have to pinch myself $100 at 10:30 p.m. Congratulations. Amelia, 2 hours ago, woke up to 6 new leads. Elizabeth, 10 hours ago, 900 right off my live session. So she did a live, and when she got off, she made that. Now, here's who we want to highlight, Joseph, right? So Joseph says that he made 3,040 in 4 days, and he's retired at 65. So here are just some of the screenshots. So he got paid Stripe, 1,800 is on your way, right? So he shared that screenshot. And he also shared how he made through Square $600 and on Tuesday, and then 600 on Monday, another 600. So from Stripe, he made 1,200. From Square, he made 1,200, and from Stripe, he made 1,830. And when you do the maths, it adds up to 3,040, right? So he just shares his story. This program retired after 90 days. It started last spring. I do the hard stuff. I don't. So he just shares a lot about how he's been getting on and everything here. Okay, so if we keep going, Jemima maybe 21 hours ago made 900 while spending time with a friend in Canada. Findile 2 hours ago, $900 while shopping. And again, she shares her screenshot there of her payment receipt through PayPal. And yeah, so these are the different wins that are shared in our community. We have over 27,000 pages. There's different types of wins. Tim, he made seven $900 sales in 7 days, working 2 hours a day. He's one of our six-figure mentors that helps us with this program. So we have over 52,000 members of our community, and we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So here on Monday, there's going to be a mentoring call with Cecilia. And then there's going to be a technical call on the Tuesday, a storytelling Q&A webinar. So these are all the webinars that are coming up. And this classroom here is where we have more training and resources. We have a 90-day run that just started. This is day one of this 90-day run, where for the next 90 days, a video is going to appear. As you can see, there's no tick in this video. This is me seeing this video for the first time, where our multi-millionaire creator of this program sends us a video, gives us action steps at the end of those videos to keep us accountable and focus on our business. So as soon as I'm done creating my content, I'm going to go watch this video and take action. Okay. We have mindset training, recording, social media training, mentoring calls, webinar, all these. We have a content vault as well, where you can download content onto your devices and upload onto your social media. So we have everything that you need in order to help you learn the skills to build a successful digital business online. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and click the link in the description to claim your Freedom Formula Guide. Now, I'm going to send this blueprint to your email. Make sure you check your spam folder, your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.